Yep, sanibonani bafethu. Please like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on TikTok, follow me on Facebook. Yeah, bafethu, this is Great Themba Zwane from Tembisa 1632 Kalambazo. Former Valdos player, former Aces player. Yeah, bafethu, i-history nyana abangazi thi ngibatshele. Themba Zwane is the first and the last, or is the first and the only last player in South African football to be bought from amateur football club or from amateur playings to PSL without playing NFD. And mind you, Themba Zwane was bought by Sundowns from Ivaldos near 1 million. Near 1 million. Back in the days when 1 million was still a money. Back in the days, 2010, 1 million was a lot of money. For an amateur football player, it's a lot of money. It's a lot of money. Mind you, it's not only 1 million. After Sundowns signed Themba Zwane, they gave the agent Themba Zwane, who was Usinki Mnisi, they gave Usinki ibhasi ye-team ukuthi okay nali ibhasi uzolayisha i-team yakho manje udlala ama-game sinithathela uThemba Zwane on top of that 1 million. On top of that 1 million. I've never seen such me. I've never seen. Ngiyazi ama-player abawatlanda kuma-amateur club bawanika ama-30,000 bayamthenga nge-30. Themba Zwane was bought, to be exact, nge-2 million from amateur football club. Then uzozwa abantu bathi hey Mfukeng is better than uThemba Zwane. Mfukeng has got a hat-trick. Let me tell you, ama-medal uThemba Zwane anawo from Sundowns anganika i-starting 11 se-Pirates. Wonke umuntu ozoba ku-starting 11 angayithola i-medal. Mind you, ama-medal uZwane anawo we-Betway Premiership anganika i-starting 11 se-Orlando Pirates sonke. Ama-medal nje athi nawo ama-medal, ama-achievement anawo. People be like, yeah, Mfukeng score. Themba Zwane is a general, bruh. You can't compare a general with a servant. Mfukeng is still a servant ku Pirates. Meanwhile, uThemba Zwane is a legend ku Sundowns. Thank you.